એઝ આઈ સેડ કે આપણે મોડ્યુલ તો ઓપન કરતા જ નથી. હવે પ્રેક્ટિકલ કોઈ બી સબ્જેક્ટ હોય, આજે થિયરી છે, થિયરીમાં જો શું પૂછ્યું છે, એક્સપ્લેન. ઓકે, વોટ દે આસ્ક યુ. આ જાન્યુઆરીનું પેપર છે, જાન્યુઆરી 21. એક્સપ્લેન, ડિફાઇન, એક્સપ્લેન, સ્ટેટ, સજેસ્ટ, required, calculate. Have you ever thought why this terminology is used differently? Have you ever taken care or bother about these particular terminologies? No. We never judge or we never compare at all. It's here in your module. Level, knowledge and comprehensions. Manner of assessment, understanding or grasping, defining, stating, enlisting, identifying, explaining concept. Illustrated verb used to construct learning outcomes. When you ask to list so and so, at that time you need to prepare the list of. Means you need not to explain the same. You just need to give the list of points. When they ask state, here it is. State for a task involved in demonstrated. They are not asking you about the list. And understand this thing. બરાબર છે, થિયરી હોય કે પ્રેક્ટિકલ હોય, મોડ્યુલમાં જ આપ્યું છે, but as I said we never bother about these things. બરાબર છે. State, mention clearly full details of, means you are supposed to explain the points, details. Define, when they ask define, you need to give exactly the definition, explaining the exact meaning of. When they say define so and so, it doesn't mean you need to elaborate the same. It doesn't mean you need to explain the same. Explain is different. You need to give the exact meaning. You need to give the definition of it. When they say describe, giving detailed narration of something or key features. Distinguish, that you will know, highlight the difference. Explain. See, there is a difference. Define and explain. When they ask you define, you need to give exact meaning of it. When they ask explain, you need to give the explanations, making the meaning of. Okay, so there is a difference. Identify, you need to recognize something. And illustrate, then you need to give example of it. Matlab, when they ask you, let's illustrate something, at that time what we are supposed to do? Illustrate means explain the theory with example, with practical example. And they can also combine the words like comprehend and explain, identify, explain and similar words. कोई भी combination માં પૂછી શકે. Level 2. હવે level 2 જે analysis છે, બરાબર છે, applying, analyzing concept learned during the grasping level. મતલબ generally practical માં આ બધા words આવે છે. Apply means putting theoretical knowledge to practical purpose. Calculate, practical માં તમે જો words કેવા છે, આ genuine paper છે. Here suggest, પછી calculate, weighted average cost of capital. Arriving at some value by numerical, so it is a practical calculation. Compute, arriving at some value by following numerical analytical procedure. Okay, so whether they use word calculate or compute, both are giving the same meaning. When they say determine something, you need to explain exactly by calculation. You need to give the exact figure when determining something. Find out, you need to ascertain exactly calculation. Demonstrate, proving something with certainty using practical means. When they ask you demonstrate, so એમાં જે કંઈ બી તમારે respectively, you need to certainly, practical means use કરીને demonstrate કરવાનું છે. જેમાં કોઈ chart demonstrate કરવાના હોય economicsમાં, બરાબર છે, generally economicsમાં use થતું હોય છે. Prepare, make something ready for any use. Reconcile, તો જ્યારે કોઈ difference હશે, reconciliation કરવાનું તો reconcile કરશું. Solve, you need to give the answer. Tabulate, required to frame the information in tabulated form. Okay, just a minute. Now, skill regarding analyzing something. So they ask you to analyze. When they ask you to analyze, you need to see just in practical sum also. When they ask you to calculate, means they want a figures. Okay, they don't want any further explanation regarding the same. Or even if you would like to take any kind of decision, then you need to explain that in 1 or 2 lines. That's it. But when they ask you to analyze something, at that time, apart from this practical calculation, you need to elaborate in detail. Explain something. Categorize, arranging something in particular group. Compare, then you need to compare the two variables or two decisions. Construct, you need to build. Discuss, you need to write something about that particular topic. Interpret, at that time you need to translate the meaning, intelligible meaning or familiar words. So this is how you are expected when the particular words are used. And આ આપણે કોઈ દિવસ જોયું બી નથી અને આપણા પેપર્સમાં બી આવે છે. We never marked. ઓકે, તમે જુઓ આ મેં તમને જનીનો પેપર લાવ્યો કેલ્ક્યુલેટ. હવે જો અહીંયા જુઓ understand one thing. એટલે આપણને we generally do such things, we calculate the same, but we never used to see the demarcation over here. કે જ્યારે મોડ્યુલમાં કોઈ સમ તમે જુઓ છો અથવા હું આમને તમને સમ કરાવું છું, બરાબર છે, at that time you just calculate. So in some practical examples, calculation is given, while in few sums with calculation they have detailed elaboration of the same. So how to know? Here it is. Calculate implied required equity return. Analyze, why deeper? Analyze. You need to do analysis of it. Are you getting this? આ જે particular point છે એ તમારે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવું પડશે અહીંયા. Required to compute, practical only. Okay, calculate, practical only. Evaluate. So this is what? It's given in your module itself. સમજાય છે? Okay. So chalo, we'll start with the FM now.